Greetings everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we will be discussing about how to get promo code in Black Myth Wukong. So it is going to be really simple. Before that, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, and make sure to watch this video till the end. So now talking about how you can get promo codes in Black Myth Wukong. Basically the steps are going to be really simple. First, you're going to be having to visit an available site, like for example Black Myth Wukong, and click on show coupon code. So basically this is a site called Coupon. Now you can head over to there, and you are required to complete some tasks to get the code. So basically what is going to happen is they offer some little tasks that you are going to be completing. You need to complete them, and once you do that, you will be offered some codes. So using those codes, you can avail your bonuses and rewards onto the site. So it is really simple. Make sure to give it a try. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.